Welcome to my review of Check Into Cash, a website that offers a variety of financial services, including credit building tools. If you're looking to improve your credit score, you've probably come across Check Into Cash. In this video, I'll be sharing my honest experience with the site, walking you through its features, and highlighting both the positives and the negatives. First, let's talk about what Check Into Cash offers. It's known primarily for payday loans, but they also have services aimed at helping users build or improve their credit scores. The website has a clean, user-friendly design, which makes it easy to navigate. From the moment you land on the homepage, you can quickly see the options available, including their credit-building loans, payday loans, and other financial services. One feature I found especially useful was their free credit score monitoring tool. You can check your score without paying for a subscription or signing up for any complicated programs. They also provide helpful tips on how to improve your score and offer loans specifically designed to help build credit. These loans work by reporting your payment history to major credit bureaus, which can help increase your credit score if you make on-time payments. However, it's important to note the fees involved. Some of Check Into Cash's services can be quite expensive, especially if you're not careful with repayment. Their payday loans have high interest rates, and while their credit-building loans are designed to help, the fees can add up. If you're already in financial trouble, this could be more of a burden than a help. Now let's dive into how easy it is to get started. Signing up on Check Into Cash is straightforward. All you need to do is provide some basic personal information, and within minutes, you can access your account and start using the tools available. The site also offers customer support, which can be reached via phone or chat if you run into any issues. In terms of user experience, Check Into Cash does a decent job of providing educational resources. Their blog has articles on everything from credit repair to budgeting tips. They also have an FAQ section where you can find answers to common questions. If you're looking to improve your credit quickly, Check Into Cash could be a good option. But remember, like with any financial service, it's important to read the fine print. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions, especially the interest rates and fees involved, to avoid any surprises. Overall, Check Into Cash can be a solid tool for those looking to build their credit, but it's not without its downsides. If you decide to give it a try, I recommend being cautious with the services that come with high fees, and making sure you can manage your repayment schedule effectively. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of financial tools and services.